welcome back to my channel, limitlessbwl. So today, as you guys can tell by the title and my look, we have a new Tamil / Indian get ready with me for you guys, and I feel like I haven't done this in a very long time, but it is wedding season and I want to try to do at least one of these a week for you guys for as long as I can in terms of how many outfits I have. So saying that, if you guys want to see these Indian get ready with me / Tamil get ready with me, make sure to click the thumbs up button in this video so I know that you guys want to see them, and leave a comment down below. And if you have any like specific looks you want me to kind of do in terms of these kind of get ready with me, let me know that as well so I can create the looks for you. And saying that, please make sure to turn on your post notifications because that's probably the only way you guys are going to see my videos, just because of the way YouTube works now. And yeah, this is just kind of like a perfect look for like a reception, something evening, but you can change up the lip color or even do this for a wedding too. It's totally up to you, and it's a totally customizable look, and the eyes are super easy to do. So saying that, let's get straight into the video. I hope you guys like it. So my skin, my lips, and all that stuff is not doing great right now just because I did come back from vacation. Vlog will be up very soon. So just because of the weather change, like the water change and stuff, it's just not doing great and it's peeling and stuff. But I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up just in case people are wondering why my skin may look flaky or my lips look totally different color. So saying that, we're going to start off with our brows first. I am going to just quickly do this and be right back, but I'll link my brow tutorial down below for you guys. So we're going to actually try a few new products today just because I'm always using the same products and have a goal to try to use more different products. So we're going to start off by color correcting with the Makeup Forever underpainting in the shade number 40. So they do have various shades for this, and we're just going to use this like orangey peachy shade right here to color correct our face. So I'm just going to do this into the same areas I would with the Smashbox one, around my mouth and under the eyes. So this one is doing a really good job, as you can see the difference. And I got super discolored after being on vacation just because I've sunburned and stuff like that, and that's why I'm really like flaky around my face as well, the sunburn. So yeah, we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Fauxfilter foundation in the shade Mocha. Oh, I didn't use this for a long time because it was too dark, but hopefully it matches now. Vippy always decides to go and shower or something when I'm filming, so if you guys could hear the water draining, I'm sorry, but let's go ahead and blend it out. Might have put a little too much. So this foundation doesn't match me at all anymore. As you can see, like I have like a like I don't know, I'm just in a difficult position with my skin tone right now. So what we're gonna do now is we're still gonna make it work. I'm sure we can, to bring down the shade a little bit. And if you're gonna be wanting to go to a party or anything, you want to make sure your makeup lasts. So this is like my favorite product, you guys already know that. This is the Cover FX matte setting powder in the shade Deep, and we're just gonna really dab that into the face. This is my key to like long lasting makeup. It's so amazing, and even if you like apply it on top of your foundation and once it gets oily, it doesn't leave any patches or anything like that, so I love it. So I just focus it on the areas I really need it. My T-zone mainly, and my smile lines. It diminishes my smile lines with most foundations. The foundations that are really bad, it's kind of hard. So now to conceal, we're going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. So next we're going to contour our face. The Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder in the shade Carob, and hopefully this is dark enough for me. By the way, this is my Bandai Luxury Banana powder underneath my eyes. Okay guys, so I'm just going to let this sit for a bit, and I feel like my skin is looking like super muddy, and like I'm just not loving my complexion today. Again, it's because I have so much dry skin and patchiness going on my skin, and it feels like leather. Like my skin feels like leather. It feels so rough. It's never felt like this before, so hopefully it gets better soon. So let's just go ahead and dust all that powder off. Next, it's time to bronze up our skin with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. I really feel like this might be a little too light. It's alright. I don't know. Don't judge me based on my complexion today, guys, please. Let's focus on my eyes. Next, we have one of my favorite blushes, Nars Seduction. So let's go ahead. Hopefully this will fix the contour. Just so you guys really know how much like more tanned I got and why these products are not working. You guys can see on my back. There it is. That's what happened. So I'm really sorry that my complexion looks really bad. I feel really bad for like. So for highlight, we're going to be trying something new paired up with our Sundipped Glow Kit. And this is the Makeup Forever Soft Light Illuminizer Liquid. Luminaire liquid. So we're just going to go ahead and apply this on the top of our cheekbone. This is super pretty. It's such a like a nice, subtle, skin-like glow. I tried this on my skin once before, but not like a lot, and this is my first time actually trying it on. I'm not a fan of liquid highlighters, but this one looks super pretty and it's not patchy at all. So now let's go in with our Sundipped Glow Kit and just top it right off. I'm going to be using the shade Bronze as always. Wow, that just makes it pop so nicely. I don't think matte highlight has ever popped like this on my cheek before. These two, the combination, oh my god, it's so pretty. That's my favorite thing about my complexion. Hey guys, so I just color corrected and primed my eyes. I'm gonna have a full video on that for you guys because that's one of my most asked questions. So saying that, we're gonna go straight into our eyes. So we're gonna be using my two ride or die shadows. If you guys haven't followed me, you know this. So the first one is Sienna by Anastasia, and the second one is Deep Plum by Anastasia as well. And we literally only need these two eyeshadows to create this look. I am going to be using a black base just so it pops for the video, but in reality, like 90% of the time I don't use that. I just use the shadows. First things first, as a transition shade, we're going to be using Sienna on my E40 from Sigma, my absolute favorite blending brush. I do have a discount code, I'll link it down below. And we're just going to really extend it out because we want it to be really smoky, like the whole eye look. Next, we're going to go into that black base. This is just a L'Oreal Lacquer liner, it says. It's just like literally their gel liner from L'Oreal, so super affordable. And we're just gonna go ahead and apply this onto our lids. A little bit goes a long way with this, just keep that in mind. It doesn't have to be even because this is gonna be a smoky look. Just try not to take it all the way to the crease. Just apply it and then just blend it up. Next, I'm taking the E54 from Sigma and going into that Deep Plum. As you can see, I didn't really do anything too fancy. I just literally blended it out. And we're just going to go ahead and put this brown right on top. And the reason we're using the black is because it's going to help the brown look really deep and dark. On a darker complexion, sometimes it could just like get dull or look too close to our complexion. Whereas a lighter complexion, you don't really need this step. But this just makes your shadows look a little bit darker, a little bit deeper. And I'm also just extending this out because I want it to be like really smoky and just like extend it out. And notice that I'm setting this in with the brown before I do the other eye, because once that is set and it dries, you can't really manipulate it anyway. So you want to do one eye at a time when working with gel liner. Once that is done, we're going to go back in with the orange and just blend all that out. So there you have that beautiful brown smoky eye, and that's just the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then we'll work on the bottom together. Guys, so I have my Huda Beauty Scarlette lashes on, and now it's kind of coming together. So next we're gonna go ahead and line our eyes with our Sigma Longwear eyeliner. We're gonna line the top and the bottom. And it's okay if it gets a little messy in the bottom because we want it to be smoky anyways. We're going to take this Anastasia A1 brush and we're just going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom of our eyes. And we're going to really blow it out. So we're going to start off with that brown that we just used. I'm being very generous with this product. I'm just really dragging it down. Now that we did that, we're going to take that same sienna with the same blending brush and just blend that all out. I'm going to go in with the same shade we highlighted with, and we're just going to plop that on our brow bone and inner corner. Last but not least is some mascara on the bottom lashes, and I am using the new Smashbox Superfan Mascara by Superwoman. So that mascara made my lashes look super long, which I love. And now it's time for the lip. You don't have to use such a bold lip, but I love wearing bold eyes with bold lips. So we're going to be using the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Uniformly Fabulous. Finally, we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of LAX right on top. This is exactly the same lip combination I did on that day as well. I'm just going to go ahead and put on my sari, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. As you can see, I have my earrings. I think my sister purchased these earrings from like one of those Travel Fest things, if I'm not mistaken, and these nose thingies are from Sri Lanka. But I know that Gems by Abby sells these as well, and I love all her jewelry, so just a heads up, you can find that there. I didn't wear this when I actually went to the formal, but you know, it's my video and I can be a little bit extra, so so yeah guys, here is the final look. And this sari is also from Sri Lanka. A lot of my stuff is from Sri Lanka because I have a lot of family there, and I have a lot of family that visits, so we usually just get like stuff from there. And yeah, I love this. I love wearing like plain cotton saris. I don't know if this is cotton, but like I like wearing really plain saris. I'm not really like a sequency, like over the top kind of person. And yeah, so here is the final look. For my hair, I just like to keep my hair straight. I'm a very simple person, but when it comes to my YouTube videos, I like to play around with my jewelry because I don't really wear this kind of jewelry in public. So saying that, that is the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to see more of these Indian get ready with me / towel get ready with me, make sure to click that thumbs up button so I know to continue to do them. And saying that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.